Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the incredible world of wood art. Today, we are thrilled to share with you a mesmerizing display of talent and creativity that will leave you in awe. Introduction to the artist. Craftsman who has dedicated his life to creating stunning pieces of wood art. With years of experience and a deep passion for woodworking, he brings his unique vision to life through his creations. The creative process takes us through his creative process, from selecting the perfect piece of wood to sketching out his design and meticulously carving and shaping the wood. showcasing the artwork. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil some of most breathtaking pieces, each one showcasing his incredible skill and attention to detail. From intricate carvings to beautifully crafted furniture, his work is truly a sight to behold. Behind the scenes. Get an exclusive look behind the scenes as we visit workshop and learn more about the tools and techniques he uses to bring his creations to life. Discover the secrets behind his craftsmanship and dedication to his art. Inspiration and impact. Shares his inspiration and passion for wood art, as well as the impact his work has had on others. Learn about the joy and fulfillment he finds in creating something beautiful from a simple piece of wood. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of wood art. We hope you have been inspired and amazed by the talent and creativity of Artist's Name. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible showcases of artistry. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of wood art.